In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from a bank to Revolut. So it can be your own bank account or someone else's. So first, if you want to transfer from someone else's account, whether it's a local or international transfer, then what you want to do is just open up Revolut and then click on the bank icon that says details under it. Now, I won't do this right now because it will show my details, but from there you will then see your bank account details. And then what you want to do is, if it's someone else's bank, just share those details with them, and then they can log into their bank and make a transfer to those details. So you will get an IBAN, or if you're in the UK, maybe a sort code and account number, and then people can transfer money to that. Now, if it is your bank, then it's a bit easier. In that case, what you want to do is just click on Add Money, also from the home screen. That will redirect you to this page. Now for me, it's automatically set to Apple Pay, but you just want to go and click Change. And then from there, I have these options. Now I'll just select an easy bank transfer, which means that you can transfer directly from your bank. Then from there, go and choose how much you want to deposit. And then after you click Continue, you can then select which bank you use. So just go and click on your bank. And after doing that, it will redirect you to your bank, where you can then confirm and make the payment. So that's how you can transfer money from a bank to Revolut, whether it's your bank or someone else's, and whether you want to do it nationally or internationally. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.